Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make kefir from kefir grains full guide. Start by gathering fresh kefir grains and whole milk and sanitize a glass jar and wooden or plastic spoon. Measure about 1 tablespoon of grains per cup of milk and loosen the grains gently before adding. Seal the jar with a breathable lid and place it in a warm spot away from direct sunlight to ferment. In this video, I will explain how to make kefir from kefir grains full guide. Place the jar where temperatures stay steady and check fermentation every 12 hours to monitor flavor and thickness. If it gets too sour, shorten the next batch time or refrigerate sooner to slow fermentation. For a thicker texture, strain longer or use higher fat milk and always reserve clean grains for the next batch to maintain a continuous starter. In this video, I will explain how to make kefir from kefir grains full guide. Quick recommendation. A book that can truly change how you think about money is worth a peek when you need a small break between batches, and it pairs oddly well with slow homemade routines. If you enjoyed this, subscribe and like so we can keep making helpful content. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to make kefir from kefir grains full guide. If your grains slow down, try feeding them fresh milk more frequently and keep temperature consistent above 68 degrees F. Avoid metal contact and flavored milks that can stress grains, and rinse only if absolutely needed with non-chlorinated water. For mold or unpleasant odors, discard both milk and grains and sanitize everything thoroughly before restarting with new certified grains from a reputable source.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.